Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sanzokula Waku channel. Today we are going to talk about American English. I have my students who have been following up on the channel. They're like, teacher, we have learned from beginner, middle or intermediate, and now we are on heading to advanced level. On this channel we teach basic English and Luganda. I teach Luganda and English on the same channel. Some videos I do for English and some videos I do for Luganda. And this year I'm gonna focus more on doing both videos, Luganda and English, but separately on the same channel. Ngenda gezaho kola ez'Oluzungu n'ez'Oluganda ku channel etya emu. So we'll move together on the same channel. Tugenda tambulira wamu ku channel yemu. It's called Learn English and Luganda Online, or Learn Luganda and English Online. So olwaleero I want you to copy my American accent, copy my American English. Oyeyereze accent yange ey'Amerika oba oyeyereze American accent. You are going to repeat after me. Ogenda kubanga byenjogera byoddamu. Repeat after me ng'oyogera byenjogedde mu American English. So we are going to just go through this for a few minutes so that you understand it better. Tugenda kukiyitamu osobole okitegeera bulungi, why the American accent and what words change and what words don't change. And for today we're just going to look at the T sounding like a flat D. T waliyo wewulikikanga soft D, ewulikikanga D naye nga si D eri awo wakati soft. So the flat T sounding like a soft D. And one, we say T between two vowel sounds mostly. So T between two vowel sounds mostly. So the common T that changes to a soft D is found between two vowel sounds, like two vowels and then T is in the middle. It changes a lot into a soft D. If you change it, if you hear somebody change it, just know that is American English. Wowulira T ng'eri mu masekkati gaaki ga empeereza oba empeerezi oba enjatuza ebbiri, ojja kumanya nti awo T eyo ogisomanga D naye nga D etayatuka nnyo. That is how you will get going with your American English. So one, we have words like, you see these two vowels, there is T here, there is T here. You know why? Y can go anywhere. Then there is here, there is here. Let me see. Okay, there was T there, and then there was T here. So let's go for these words, right? There was water, water. You see, water. Then city. You see, it sounds like a soft D. City. Better, better, better. Then waiter, 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 waiter. Oyo ye akola ki? Akola mu hoteri. Then we have butter, butter. Owulira butter. Let's create some sentences for each, right? Get me some water. Go in the city and get me some water. Go in the city and get me some water. We better go get some water. Oh, we better tell the waiter to get us some butter water. Ndowooza okitegedde. Bw'otyo bu practicing American accent. Water, city, butter, waiter, and better. Eyokubiri. T at the end of the word but between two vowel sounds. T at the end of the word but between two vowel sounds. Make T flat. T at the end of the word but between two vowel sounds. Make T flat. Start. Hold it. Start out. Start out. Then we have the second one is put up. Put up. Put up. Put up. It is put up. Then wano ebadde start out. Put up. Put up. Put up. Start out. Olaba one. Start out. Start out. Start out. Put up. Put up. Then get over. Get over. Get over. Get over. Okay, let's try to do some practice. Let's start out. Let's start out. I can't put up with him. I can't put up with him. Let's get over that. Let's get over that. Okiwulira engeri kitambula nti ebyo tubiveeko. Let's get over that. Tubiveeko. Wano I can't put up with him. Sisobola kukola ki kubanga ngenda maaso naye. Start out tutandike tugende. Then number 3, we have T when T comes after O before a dark L. Kale wano T webeera nga ekola ki? Eri mu maaso oba emabega wa L. For example, L yino, so it's before. Here is before. 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 We have bottle. Bottle. Eyebachi chupa. Little. Owulira. You hear that? Little. Bottle. Eri bottle. Eneri bottle. Bottle. Enjawulo ogiwulira. Bottle. Bottle. Eneri bottle. Bottle. Eki olutalo. Middle. 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 So let's get some bottles. Let's get some bottles. Tuleeteyo ku chupa. Get me just a little water. Amazzi amatono. Then we have bottle. Entalo. I'm going in a battle with him. Or I'm going to battle him. I'm going to battle him. Ngenda kumugulako olutalo. Let's go in the middle. Okay? Tugende mu masekati. Let's get some little bottle of water and go to the battle in the middle of the desert. Osobola okugeraageranyamu oba okufumiitirizaamu n'obaako ne ebyokulabirako by'okozesa. Tuli ku American accent. Just copy me. Everything I've said, say it. Okay? Bottle, little, bottle, middle. Olabi, one way what? Then lastly, number 4, just examples to help you. We have before or after a controlled R. So before R, ekyo kya controlled kikubuzaabuza naye before or after R. Ndowooza olaba. Before or after. So here it's after. Where's the R? Eri, eno. Then we have wano, we have that, we have that, we have that, we have that. So we are going to make the T sound soft, flat T, soft D, flat T, soft D. That's how we are going to get the American accent. So let's try. We have, this is called, in a normal English, it's called party, party. So in American accent, we say party, party, party. Then this is called daughter. But in American accent, we say daughter, daughter. Then this is beautiful. We say beautiful, beautiful. This is a platter. A platter is a plate that has stuff on it. Platter, that is platter. It's platter, platter. Then we have pudding. It's called pudding, pudding. Then this is data, data. Then this is metal, metal, echuma, echuma. Then we have litter, litter, ngalita, obe yamazi obe yachi. Then this is little, little, echintu ekitono, and many, many, many more other examples that you could find out, that you could use, that have T and we're sounding it like a soft D. So we're going to create some sentences here with beautiful. I saw a beautiful girl come over here. I saw a beautiful girl on the street. Nalabye omuwala ombalagavu ku street. They gave me a platter full of mangoes. They gave me a platter full of mangoes. Bandete this one ingejudde emiyembe. I'm putting iron sheets. I'm putting mangoes in my container. I am putting mangoes in my container. I need to go buy some data. I need to go buy some data. Then I need a liter of water. I need a liter of water. Then I just need a little water. I just need a little water. So tell me in the comments, what are you going to try out? Ogenda gezaako ki kweno American accent. Mbulira wesikoze bulungi. Tell me where I missed out, what you would like to try out next time. Tell me what you want me to talk about next time, because we are talking with those that want to copy the American accent to another level, copy and master the American accent. We were talking about a flat T turning into a soft D. And these words, you've seen them and you have seen me practice. And I just want you to practice and repeat after me. And then we'll get back to you in another video. Thank you so much.